Howdy y'all, this is Holly and Davey Shockrell from Starlove Ranch. This property has been in my family for 7 generations and one day we'll leave it to our children. So it's definitely important to us to leave it better than we found.
When we rescued our family's herd, we realized pretty quickly that the land itself also needed rescuing.
We were up before the sun every day, building temporary paddocks and moving the cows. It's a lot of hard work, but it's very important and near and dear to our hearts.
They really, really are doing the work in the world that deserves to be applauded and supported. Your support is so appreciated. Thank you.